How do I know if I'm doing eye exercises correctly? So you are start doing eye exercises. First of all, congrats. You are on the way to better eye health naturally. The first and the most important is the no strain rule. If it hurts, you're doing it wrong. Here's the golden rule of eye exercises. No strain, no pain. And I don't mean that no pain, no gain gym mantra. Your eyes are not here for that nonsense. Eye exercises should be like a spa day, relaxing stretch for your eyeballs, not like they bench pressing your screen time. The no pain, no strain rule. This isn't boot camp for your eyeballs. If your eyes start feeling discomfort, it's time to stop. Comfort is the key. Eye workouts are more spa day than the gym day. Think cucumbers on the eyelids, not squat for your retinas. You should feel comfortable, relaxed, and maybe even like your eyes are on vacation. No strain allowed. Eye tension. Your eyes' way of saying, hey, we are tired here. You're doing your exercises. No more than 1 minute per session. By the way, and suddenly, there is a tiny tension building up. You're thinking, is that normal? Nope. That's your eyes waving the white flag. They're saying, hey buddy, chill out. We are not training for the Olympics here. If you feel any kind of tightness or discomfort, take a break. Your eyes are delicate. How should it feel? Like a lazy thunder for your eyes. Okay, so what should I feel like? Honestly, like your eyes are lounging on a hammock, sipping a cold drink and casually watching the sunset. It should feel like your eyes are stretching out and relaxing. Slow and easy pace. If you are doing an exercises and your eyes feel lighter, maybe a little bit more flexible, congratulations, you are doing it right. If your eyes feel like they need a nap afterwards, you are still good. If they feel they just done a triathlon, stop. The comfort zone, no pain, just gain here. Another key to knowing if you're on the right track. Are you comfortable? Eye exercises should feel like a light, enjoyable activity, not like lifting a 100-pound dumbbell with your eyelids. So if you find yourself thinking, this is kind of nice, congratulations, you hit the sweet spot. Your eyes are getting healthier and your eye muscle flexible. Stop when you need to. It's not a contest. And remember, if you are feeling even the slightest bit of uncomfortable, give yourself permission to stop. Take a breath, close your eyes, and just enjoy the peace. You can always pick up later when your eyes are feeling refreshed. There's no rush. You can always come back for after 1 hour of relaxation. Check Eyesight Academy course for better vision naturally by improving your eye health with the proper eye training. The relaxed eye, the ultimate goal. So, how do you know if you are doing eye exercises correctly? It's simple. Relax. If your eyes feel calm, happy, and not like they are running a visual marathon, then you are on the right path. Exercises should be as soothing as possible. No pressure, no tension. No trying too hard, just 1 rep per exercise for the first year of eye training. Blink, focus far, and relax. Because at the end of the day, your eyes deserve some relaxation without all the drama.